Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Easy English with Anna. Today, I will share English I use every morning. We will learn many useful phrases together. These are phrases you can use in your daily life. If you enjoy calm English lessons like this, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support helps me create more videos for you. Let's begin. Waking up. In the morning, I wake up slowly. I don't like to rush. When I open my eyes, I often say, "Good morning." This is a simple greeting. You can say it to yourself, or you can say it to your family. Sometimes, when I feel sleepy, I say, "I'm still tired." This is very common. Many people feel tired in the morning. You can also say, "I need more sleep," or "I don't want to get up yet." When my alarm rings, I might say, "Time to wake up," or "The alarm is ringing." If I want 5 more minutes, I say, "Just 5 more minutes, please." Getting out of bed. After I get out of bed, I stretch my body. Stretching feels good. I say, "I need to stretch," or "Let me stretch a little." This helps me wake up my body. Then I say, "It's time to start the day." This phrase gives me energy. It helps me feel ready. You can also say, "Let's start the day," or "A new day is beginning." Sometimes I look at the time and say, "What time is it?" Or, "Is it already 7 o'clock?" Time is important in the morning. Opening the window. Next, I walk to the window. I like fresh air in the morning. When I open the window, I say, "The weather feels nice today." Fresh air makes me feel awake. If it's sunny, I say, "It's a beautiful day," or "The sun is shining." If it's cloudy, I say, "It looks cloudy today," or "I think it might rain." I also check the temperature. I might say, "It feels warm," or "It's a bit cold today." These simple phrases help you talk about weather. Morning routine in the bathroom. After opening the window, I go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face. I say, "I need to wash my face," or "Let me splash some water on my face." Cold water helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth. I say, "Time to brush my teeth," or "I'm brushing my teeth." This is something we do every day. You can also say, "I need to brush my teeth," or "My teeth feel clean now." When I look in the mirror, I might say, "I look sleepy," or "My hair is messy." Sometimes I say, "I need to fix my hair," or "Let me comb my hair." If I take a shower in the morning, I say, "I'm going to take a shower," or "A shower will wake me up." Some people prefer showers in the evening, but I like morning showers. Getting dressed. After the bathroom, I get dressed. I open my closet and say, "What should I wear today?" This is a common question. Choosing clothes can be difficult sometimes. I might say, "I'll wear something comfortable," or "I need something warm today." If the weather is hot, I say, "I'll wear something light." When I choose my clothes, I say, "This looks good," or "I like this shirt." Getting dressed is an important part of the morning. Preparing breakfast. Before breakfast, I go to the kitchen. I say, "I'm getting ready for the day." This means I'm preparing everything I need. In the kitchen, I say, "What should I eat for breakfast?" Or "I'm hungry." Breakfast is important. It gives us energy. I might say, "I'll make some coffee," or "I need my morning coffee." Many people love coffee in the morning. If you prefer tea, you can say, "I'll make some tea." For food, I might say, "I'll have toast and eggs," or "Maybe just some fruit today." Simple breakfast phrases are very useful. While I'm making breakfast, I say, "The coffee smells good," or "I'm cooking eggs." You can describe what you're doing. This is good practice. When breakfast is ready, I say, "Breakfast is ready," or "Time to eat." If someone else made breakfast, you can say, "Thank you for breakfast," or "This looks delicious." Planning the day. While I eat breakfast, I think about my day. I say, "What do I need to do today?" Or "Let me check my schedule." Planning is important. I might say, "I have a busy day today," or "Today will be a relaxing day." You can also say, "I have a meeting at 10," or "I need to finish some work." If you have errands, you can say, "I need to go to the store," or "I should call someone today." Final morning thoughts. These are simple sentences. You can use them every morning. They are easy to remember. They are practical and useful. Try to say them with me. Practice every day. Slow English is good English. You don't need to speak fast. Speaking clearly is more important than speaking quickly. Remember, learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself. Every day, you are improving. Even saying a few English phrases each morning is wonderful practice. Conclusion. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope these phrases help you. I hope you feel more confident speaking English in the morning. Tell me in the comments, what do you say in the morning? Do you say good morning to your family? Do you drink coffee or tea? I would love to know about your morning routine. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. I make new videos every week. See you in the next video. Until then, practice these phrases every morning. Good luck with your English learning journey. Bye, and have a wonderful day.